Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. We've got a Happy Meal again. We've got a Happy Meal and this is becoming such a regular spot on my channel. Everyone likes to see the Happy Meal being opened and I love it. It really helps me out. I'm not going to have to buy yarn for a long time thanks to everyone's generosity. Now this bundle has came from Susan Ross. Susan has already sent me some yarn before and it was beautiful. And she's so generous with this. It all will get used, it's all helpful, and it gives me a great selection to use to bring blankets and crochet projects for everyone to enjoy. And you certainly all enjoy watching these videos of this Happy Meal. And let's open this. We'll go with this one first and I'll just open the top, and Muttley as usual is waiting for the bag, and let's have a look. Oh my, you are kidding me. A bag of ice yarn, look at this. Oh, look in there. Oh my goodness. Susan, look at that. Now this is the way ice yarn sells their yarn. They don't do it in single balls, they do it in packs of, you get 2, you get 4, you get 6 or you get 8, and that's the way they do it. And it is quite cheap to buy it, but your shipping can be a little bit more expensive. But the way this is absolutely amazing. I can't believe this. It's a white cotton. I'm going to take one out because everyone likes it when I squeeze these. Get a squeezing my balls. Oh, that's a little rude. I shouldn't have said that. I do apologise. I apologise for saying that. Look at this. That is so soft. Look how white it is as well. It's beautiful. I love it. Honestly, it's only been the past few months that I actually used ice yarn, and it was from a donation, and oh, a beautiful smell from that as well. And it's so soft. Ice yarn is from Turkey and they just make amazing yarn. Now there's quite a bit of this, so I'll drool over that later. And there's Muttley looking for the bag. What you doing, Muttley? Is that a blue bottle? Are you chasing a fly? I've got my back door open and the fly's going in. Muttley doesn't know what it is. He can hear it, but I can't. Oops, I've just dropped that little bag. Look at this. Oh, it's another one of ice yarn. Look at that. That is so, I'm gobsmacked. I really am. Look at that. That is so pretty. So pretty. I'll get my scissors. Unbelievable. Really, this is just so generous. So, oh my gosh. Look at that pink and white. I've said it before in another video. Pink and white always reminds me of something called coconut ice that we used to make way back in the day. I think it is still made. Look at this. It's made up of 2, 4, 5, 6 strands of yarn. That is so pretty. Look at that. That is so pretty. It's called Baby Ombre, this one. The other one was just a white cotton. It was a white, not just a white cotton, it was a white cotton. And this one is 100 grams. It's called Baby Ombre. Now, their writing is always tiny. So where is... Oh, I can't find my magnifying glass. Oh, there it is. Just having a little rummage in my drawers there. Look at this. This is great to see this because it is very small. 100% acrylic. 100 grams, that's 200 meters. and I have to use a 4.5 crochet hook. Look at that. Oh, my eyes are going. Do you know something? I'm 75% deaf, so I've got 2 hearing aids. I've got arthritis in most of my joints. And now I'm going blind. Oh, gosh almighty, what are we going to be like? That is so pretty. Now you get a mixed one, you get a plain pink, and you get a white. So you've got your pink, your white, and your mix of both. And that is beautiful. Look at that. And this is from Ice Yarns. And look at that. It's beautiful. Just so soft. No wonder Muttley tries to pinch it and lay on it because it's so soft. Right, I'll put that down there into that box. Now let's see what this one is. Oh, look at that. Anne Geddes. Oh, she's the photographer lady, isn't she, Anne Geddes? She did all the photography with the babies and all the little dress up like little bumblebees. This is red heart yarn. My whole packet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My goodness. Oh, it's so soft. I love red heart yarn. Oh, look, there's a little free pattern. You need 2 balls, it says, to make those. I don't know if it's a crochet one or if it's a knitting one. But you can go on to Red Heart. Now, what I'm going to tell you is as well, if you're looking for free knitting or crochet patterns, if you go on to the likes of Red Heart, if you go into Yarnspirations, Karen, the Karen Simply Soft, Lion Brand, all of those big name yarn ones, they all have a section of free downloadable patterns, and it's a perfect way. If you're a beginner and you want to build up a little pattern collection, then go on to some of the big brands and you'll get some patterns for free on their websites. This is absolutely beautiful. It's 100 grams per ball and it's double knitting. That is amazing. Muttley's got a little, oh my goodness. Oh, come on now, Susan. Oh, look at this. Look at the colours in there. I'm going to move my chair over a little bit. Sorry about the mess down there. Muttley's been tearing up a box. Look at that Simply Chunky Paintbox yarn. My goodness, look at the colours in it. Look. You're joking. Oh, look at that. One rainbow blanket coming up. It's so soft as well. This Paintbox yarn is amazing. It really is. I got the first ones from Lovecrafts, the Paintbox brand, and then they've got all this other, they've got Chunky, they've got Aran, they've got baby ones, and it's beautiful. Look at the rainbow colours in this bag. Look at this. 100-gram balls. There's another orange. Oh, look, there's a pink. This is a DK one, and that one's a chunky. And I'm going to pop them into my box that I've got to. Oh, look at that one. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, this is, look at, oh, wow. Wow, that is fantastic. Look at that. I'll pop that into my box. I've got a box down there. Look at that. Chunky, that's amazing, the colours. I'll pop that down there. And there's 3 of these pink ones. This is a double knitting. Oh, that is absolutely amazing, amazing. There's 100 grams in these. It's 3 point. Oh, I'm getting quite. Oh. There's 3.5 ounces. It's 276 meters and 302 yards. My gosh, my gosh. That is amazing, Susan. Thank you so, so much. the colorway for this. I've never even told you any of the color numbers of the other ones. I've just been so excited with this. Oh, I'm getting quite emotional now. Oh, it's amazing, unbelievable. Right, I'll open this one and we'll have a look and see what's amazing. Absolutely, it's going to be amazing. And oh, I can see it already. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this. This is amazing. Susan. Oh my goodness. Double knitting. Look at this. I'm sure this is the duck egg blue, this one. A lot of them I've just got the numbers for the paint box, and it's usually in a list with the colours. I'm sure this is the duck egg blue. It's oh, it's beautiful. It's absolute, and it's so soft even through this muslin bag. It is so soft. And there's another one. Look at this one. There's a pink one as well. Oh, there's more blue. I think that's the duck egg. That's it, Simply Aran duck egg. And this is Simply Aran. It's a pink. It's beautiful. You're just taking my breath away, woman. You really are. My goodness. Oh, I'm starting to shake a little bit. In this one, I'll do it carefully because this one's quite stuffed. To be careful, don't cut any of the yarn that's in there. There we go. Oh my goodness. I can feel how soft this is just with my hand inside there. Look at this. Look at this. This is on Susan. Really. Oh, it's like Christmas. It really is. It's better than a pearl necklace. It, it really is. Look at this. That is, get one of those out. Oh, it's ice yarn. Look at that. So soft. I can't believe how soft it is. So soft. It's soft, baby. Oh my god, and it is soft. That was going to make an absolutely beautiful, beautiful blanket. And there's four. There's four. I'm going to pop that down there. Oh my goodness. It's 100 grams in each ball. It's stuck to there. Oops, there we go. It's 100 grams in each ball. There's no colour and it's tiny. So it's 50% acrylic and 50% polyamide. So 100 grams, that's 210 metres. It's not got the yardage on it. It's a 3-weight. Now that is like in between our Aran and double knitting. It's absolutely amazing. Look at that. I'm going to pop that in my little box. Oops, Mutley's having a little sniff at it as well. And oh, look at this. There's a little bag for you. Look, Susan sent you a bag. You put your ball in it. There's a wee bag. Where'd you go? Oh, lovely. He puts his toys in the bag. It's a paint box. There's a black one and a green one. That's absolutely amazing. And the paint box, like the ice yarn, it's always really, really soft. Now we'll get this one out. I think this is the last one. Amazing. Absolutely breathtaking. It really is. Look at that. That is so, so generous. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 500 grams in that bag, and that is just, it's just so, so generous. It's just, it really is. And oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe the generosity of my friends and the people who I've made friends with on through my YouTube and my Facebook group. It's just unbelievable, unbelievably kind and generous you sending this. It's absolutely It's beautiful, it really, really is. And this is absolutely amazing. This is amazing. It's just, oh, can't I just thank you so, so much. Thank you so much, especially to Susan. Thank you so much, Susan. I really, you know how much I appreciate this. You really do. And it's so, so generous. And I just can't, I can't say thank you enough. I really can't. It's wonderful, absolutely wonderful. And I'm go oh, I'm going to have to go and have a little cup of coffee because I'm quite shaky now, and it's quite emotional for me for this, and for all of it, all the happy mail that I get. It really is exactly that. It's happy mail. It makes it extremely, extremely happy, and a lot of people love watching them. And this is just so generous. I can't get over how generous that people are being, just to help keep my stash going. It helps me to keep my YouTube running as well after taking retirement. So once again, like I say at the end of every video, what's Molly got? Where you got all the bags? You've got too many to pick from. You've got lots of bags now, haven't you? Yes, here's Muttley. Here's Muttley down here. Right, you going to say hello? Are you coming? Up, up, up. There we go. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. There, see, see? And he's just a bit short. There he is. Muttley, are you making a mess? Are you going to say hello to everybody? This is Muttley's favourite toy, and this is what he hides inside the bags and the boxes that he managed to get. And he hides it in. Look at that. Do you want your ball? There you go. There you go. He just loves it. He just loves that ball. You give me my bag. Oh, you want me to throw it again? There you go. He's like, okay, Mummy, you've had enough with your yarn. Let's just have a play. So anyway, thank you very much for watching the videos, and just click on that subscribe button there, and if you click on the bell icon, then YouTube will tell you when I've uploaded another video. He's trying to give me his ball back, so I'm going to take him out in the garden and we're going to throw the ball for a little while, and I'll have a cup of coffee. So until the next time, happy crafting. And Susan, words fail me. They actually, words fail me. They really do. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.